Well, I guess we got to do it again. Hey everyone, I'm Matt and welcome to Cobb Hill Farms. We got about 7 or 8 inches of nice fluffy white stuff off of Lake Ontario last night, and I think we need to do a little bit of plowing today. Do I have to? No, but I kind of feel like it. Well, I think we're going to test the glow plugs out today. Looks like I forgot to plug the electric cord into the block heater. This tractor's been starting a lot harder this fall. I think I'm going to have to look into the glow plugs sometime when I have a free minute. Nope, guess she's not going to go. Well, before I completely kill the battery, we'll plug the block heater in. That job's gonna have to wait. Well, seeing as the New Holland won't start, I guess we'll go down and get a little bit of shoveling done. Well, let's see if it's going to go this time. Well, it's better, but it's still not great. We're going to give the battery a little bit of a boost. Well, let's give her a try again. Let's go get some plowing done. I like using a blade over the loader on the back driveway because it seems to do a better job. It's lighter and it floats over the ground better. I don't seem to have as much real estate to have to fix in the spring. tools of the trade that we're using today to get our driveway cleaned is this 6-foot back blade. It's got multi-position angle. It's a standard duty. I believe it was made by Wolfpaw. It was bought 10 years ago or so by now, and that's primarily what it does, is scrape the driveway. Then we're using the trusty new Holland TC35DA. A combination of the back blade and the loader is what I like to use to get our driveway done. I like being able to back up the things with the back blade, pull the snow away, and then eventually use the loader to either push it away or pile it up or whatever. It's my personal choice. This is what I like to use, and everybody has their own opinion. So I guess I don't want to forget to plug this in again. Let's see what the calves are up to after their couple days of newfound freedom. Things have gone pretty well with Bonnie and Clyde the last few days since we started letting them outside. To the point where we even leave the barn gate open now at night so they can come and go out of the barn as they please. So they've settled in nice. Well, that was a lot of fun. I typically don't plow this back driveway on a regular basis. I only usually do it if I know I got a hay customer coming, or we need to get up here with the truck for some reason and the snow's deep enough, which today it really wasn't. But I'll be honest with you, I just wanted to have a little fun and touch up the driveway and plow some snow. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like our channel, as always, we ask you to subscribe. We hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.